BK here, and in this video we're going to pull apart the front suspension of our AW11. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, it really helps me out and I would greatly appreciate it. We have quite a few returning non-subscribed viewers. If you've returned and you haven't subscribed yet, now's your perfect opportunity. With the AW11 in the air, let's take a look at these crusts. We can actually see what we're missing. Here we have our strut rod bracket on the driver's side. So that one we can see is intact. And then it connects down to this lower arm. Passenger side now. So that bracket will go here and then connect in. Everything's pretty crusty, so I think it's a good idea just take off both sides at the same time and refresh them together. It's interesting, this side seems like it's been worked on before. At least it's coated with some black stuff. See how much more crusty this side is. I'm gonna separate it from the strut rod bracket and not from the knuckle, so that way I can hopefully take the whole piece with us. They've been living in the MR2. This is an AW11, not a Spider. We're gonna attempt to use the tie rod puller. Clumps of dirt falling out. Slip off. Oh no, it just worked. Went ahead and acquired a flare nut wrench for this because I hear it's much easier with the right tool. And yep, it's coming right out. It. Especially when working on older cars, there's always going to be setbacks and just kind of have to deal with it. Look at this thing, ball joints blown out. Yeah, that's gotta be twisted. All right, what I missed last time is unhook the sway bar linkage. You hold it with an H5 Allen, and then you just take the bolt off. The bottom arm is stuck. This is the worst tool. Trying to do research on whether it would be more beneficial to get coilovers or struts and springs. Knock gave us his parts list, him having a lot of experience with it, and it included spring and strut upgrades. Do you have any advice on what type of suspension stuff we should get? I'm pretty new to all this. I'd greatly appreciate it. Our primary goal is to have a decent daily driver, as well as something we can take on mountain roads. Comparing side by side, there you go. You can really get a good idea now. Okay, this time around, we're gonna improvise the gravity method, or optimize. I'm gonna set the hub on this block of wood. There it is. Removing the front suspension didn't go so bad. We do have usable knuckles. They are super rusty. Thanks for hanging out. From here, we're going to get a giant canister of WD-40 and soak it, and then knock all that rust off and maybe paint it some anti-rust stuff. I don't know. If you want to see that, check out this video. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.